Yo, what's up? Peejay here, and today we are in Crimson Resort in Mactan. So we are going to test this Poco X3. Iba-vlog test natin tong Poco X3 kung okay ba siyang pang daily vlogs natin. Diba yung gusto natin sa pag nagvo-vlog tayo is very handy yung kukunin lang natin from our pockets, and then yun, diretso na tayo magvo-vlog. So yan, we will tour around Crimson Resort. So samahan nyo kami as we have our day tour, no, not day tour, as we tour around the Crimson Resort here in Mactan. So we are now using our main camera, 64 megapixels. As you can see, may ano siya, image stabilization. So medyo smooth, di ba? Smooth lang yung pagkuha natin ng video. So we are now going to check in sa lobby.
At Safan Cafe, 6:30 to 10:30. Then if you have any question, please call 0 lang ma'am. Then updated operating hours sa restaurant.
So nahuman na tayong check-in. So we will go to the room. So we will have a room tour using this Poco X3 so that makompare natin kung ano ba yung last time we used the Realme 6 Pro, and this time we are using the Poco X3. Hopefully maganda pa din yung result ng ating tour around here in Crimson Resort in Mactan. Let's go! So mauna ni ang swimming pool, the infinity pool, and doon straight ahead yung beach. So I will tour you around mamaya pagkatapos ng ating room tour. So stay tuned kayo guys. Stay tuned sa ating swimming pool tsaka sa ating beach tour using our Poco X3. So padung na ta sa atong room. And doon na itong room. Wala na tayo nagpahatod sa ilang cart. Kay malakaw na. Actually, you can just walk. Kay medyo taas-taas ang pila actually doon sa cart to para mahatod mo sa room. So, yan. We are now actually naanata sa room. So now, mag-room tour na tayo. So far, anong sa tingin nyo yung result ng ating Poco X3? Comment down below kung maganda ba yung quality ng sound niya, yung video niya, kung stabilized ba yung image niya. Comment down below. So for now, i-check natin yung room gamit ang ating Poco X3. So yan, let's go. Let's check the room in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. So we are now inside. This is the deluxe garden room. So last time, I think we also got the same deluxe garden. So this is a very nice room. Yon. Maganda yung design niya, and yung nakaganda dito is actually yung nagustuhan ko talaga sa Crimson is yung kanilang CR. Imagine, I'll let you see the CR. Ma-amaze din kayo. See? Look at that CR. Diba? May bathtub. Yon. And of course, may TV. So, habang naliligo kayo, pwede kayo manood ng TV, mag-relax, diba? Mag-enjoy. And yung kanilang shower din, nag-enjoy din ako sa shower nila, yung rain type, diba? Medyo malaki talaga yung room nila compared sa other rooms na napuntahan natin, like yung sa mga Plantation Bay, dun sa Shangri-La, J Park, 'di ba? So far, ito yung pinakamalaking CR na puntahan natin, 'di ba? So, 'yan. So mag-iikot tayo around. I'll show you the beach, I'll show you the swimming pool. 'Yan, mag-enjoy tayo dito sa Crimson Resort. So samahan niyo ako, and as we test itong ating Poco X3. So ito yung bathroom natin. And then yung CR yung Jeb's throne. And of course, yung ating bedroom. It's a big room. Not that big, but will do, di ba? Yan. And yung TV, of course, may TV yung room. And then, yung closet. I'll show you the closet. There. Yan. The closet. And then, yung last but not the least, yung ref. Yung nagustuhan ko rin dito sa Crimson is yung coffee nila. They have this coffee na yung capsule yung gamit. Ito. It really tastes good, yung capsule. Kaya, very maganda yung umaga natin. Yan. This is a ref. Walang laman. And of course, yung kit nila, may water sila. And ito, nakasanitize yung baso, of course. And of course, yung mga remote, yung bed. Definitely, you will have a good time here in Crimson Resort. Diba? Makakapag-relax tayo dito sa ating Garden Deluxe room here in Crimson Resort, here in Mactan. So we will still have, yun nga yung sinabi ko kanina, yung beach at yung swimming pool. So samahan nyo ako, puntahan natin, i-check natin. Sandali, kumustahin natin kung okay ba yung beach nila, okay ba yung swimming pool. But the last time we were here, definitely we had a great time dun sa swimming pool. And sa beach din, naligo tayo dun last time. Hopefully, ganun din yung experience natin. This time, mag-enjoy sa kanilang swimming pool at sa beach. Yon, subukan natin ulit itong ating Poco X3. Diba? Tanggalin natin yung mask wala because we are now inside. So, susubukan natin itong galing ng Poco X3 in my separate video. Abangan din yun. We will do yung camera, yung video test, lahat. Ultimate video test ng Poco X3. Gagawin natin lahat yon in this visit here in Crimson. So, abangan yun guys. Hopefully, susubaybayan nyo yun and you will still watch my upcoming videos. So, yun. Ikot muna tayo. Let's check out the beach and the swimming pool. Let's go!
Mag-uol, tingin mo, hindi nila bata din ako. Dito malumos.
So, money atong first stop, ang swimming pool here in Crema Zone. So, yung mga bata definitely mag-enjoy dito. They have the kiddie pool, the Crema Zone pool. Yon. And they also have this, yung mga, it's like a playground for the kids. Dito sa Crema Zone. Crimson here. So, mga bata definitely malingaw sila dula-dula here sa playground. Nice. Crimson, dili Crema Zone. Nagpataka na po. Anyway, we'll go to the infinity pool and the beach and we'll wrap up our vlog test for this Poco X3. Let's go. So, papunta na tayo sa kanilang beach side. Yon, kitang-kita ko na sa aking mga mata yung ating beach side. So, I'll show it to you. So that ends our vlog test for our Poco X3. So anong sa tingin nyo guys? Comment down below. Kumusta naman yung quality ng ating video, yung ating pictures, and of course yung sound quality ng ating mic. So far, I think ayos na ayos ng Poco X3 na pang vlog. Maganda yung kuha ng kanyang main camera, and of course yung kanyang image stabilization, nandun siya. So definitely, itong Poco X3, pwede gamitin pang vlog ninyo. So, yun lang yung video natin for today. My name again is Peejay. Sa mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe, subscribe kayo. Hit the like button. Comment down below. And yun, thank you for watching. I'll see you again next time.